Hello everyone and welcome to this tutorial on making an image clickable in Squarespace.com. Clickable images can link to the other pages, to the external websites, or even trigger the actions like lightbox effects. So, Squarespace.com is a powerful platform that is going to help you create numerous websites and then add images and make them clickable on Squarespace. So there are a few simple steps that you need to follow, like adding an image block, uploading and adding the image. You can add the link to the image, you can customize the link settings, or you can also add the lightbox effect. You can test the clickable image, you can add different tips and variations, and this is how you can play with a lot of features on Squarespace.com for adding image and making it clickable. So let's just get started. First thing first, you gotta make your Squarespace account active, and you make sure that it is active. For that, you need to log in or sign up using a suitable password or an email account. You can also use your Google account in order to get into Squarespace.com. So it is going to direct you to your dashboard or to your home screen this way. Here, if you are a newbie, then this dashboard is probably empty because you have never created no website. But if you're a previous user, you must have these type of the websites on your dashboard. So let's just say if you're a newbie, we are going to give you a quick tutorial on how to create the website so that you will be able to add the image. So click on Create New Website, and now you have to answer a few simple questions that is going to help you decide the type of the template you're looking for. So number one is that what is your site about? Either it's about photography, design, education, consultation, arts, health, marketing, technology, construction and maintenance, apparel, music, real estate and properties. It's about beauty, travel, or wedding images. So mine is about marketing. So I'm going to be clicking on marketing and I'm going to be clicking on next. Now step 2, you can simply skip this part, or you are going to select that what do you want to do with your website. Let's just say I'm looking for getting appointments. I'm looking for showcasing my work expertise. You can publish a blog or media. You're looking for sending invoices, sell services, sell on-demand videos, or to sell different products, sell membership, build a community, promote an event or the projects, sell online courses, or to collect the donations or promote a physical business. Now, according to the options that I've chosen, the third and the most crucial step is that either you want the template of your own by building a new template using Blogger AI, or you can also choose a template. So if you have an idea of your own, you can go click on the option of build. But if you don't have no idea of your own and you're looking for something, a creative idea from Squarespace according to the answers that you have given, then you're going to click on choose a template. Personally, my favorite is choosing a template because it is much less of a labor route. So you see, it has given me about 47 different type of templates, and you can select any of those. Let's just say I am looking for this one. I like this one, and I'm going to be clicking on this because it has no image, so it might be easy for me to add an image. Let me just find out the one with images so that it would be easy for me. Let's just say I'm choosing this one. You can play with different colors, or you can click on Start with Design. Here it is going to set up things for you within a few minutes, and it is going to make sure that all the options are secure so that while you are editing your website, it would be easy for you. So now I'm going to be clicking on Edit Site. Here you see it is, now I gotta make sure that I am going to edit it. Let's just say I edit it, and you can change the site title here. But now the main step is that you want to make your image it is still loading here. You see now it is completely loaded. Now you can click on add section because I want an empty section here in order to add an extra image. So you can also add a blank section, or you can choose the one from the save section. Let's just say I'm looking for a blank section. It might take a while to load. So now what I'm going to do is click on add section and then click on add blank section, and again the same step. It has added a blank sample for me. Now I'm going to be clicking on add block. Here you see the option of image. I'm going to be clicking on image. Now you are going to add an image here. This is an extra. I'm going to be removing this. Okay. So yeah, this was my section where I was about to place an image. You can simply move it wherever you want, or you can add an image from the browse to stock images. So let's just stock an image. There are free and premium options as well. Okay, I am looking for this one because it suits my website. And it is going to, I'm using my option of drag and drop, and this is how it is going to appear. Now what I can do is stretch it and I can make it clickable. Now what does clickable mean? Clickable means that, there is how it is going to be clickable by clicking on editing link. Here you can add the link for work, services, blog, and about, and much more. So this is how it is going to be clickable if you add a link here. Or you can also make other necessary changes. You can also pin it to the screen, you can duplicate it, or you can delete this. So, clickable means that you must have some link to it. So when you click on it, it opens an other thing for you. So this is how it is going to appear on the mobile mode. And it is going to be clickable if you have added any image and then you have added any link to it. Then you're going to click on the option of save if you like it, and after that it is going to be saved. So this is how you're going to, add an image and then make it clickable. Make sure that the image clickable in Squarespace is a simple and a powerful tool. So if you follow these steps, you can create an engaging and interactive image that is going to enhance your site's user experience. I'm going to click on exit because it has edited it for me. Let me just see. Yeah, this is my image, and now if I had, added a link to it, then it would have been clickable. You can check it out on the mobile mode, and that is it. This is how you're going to do it. By following these steps, you can create an engaging and interactive image that is going to enhance your site's user experience. So yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next tutorial.